In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an Amazon household. This is a simple and useful feature, and I'll guide you step by step so you can share benefits and manage accounts easily. Let's get started. First, go to Amazon and sign into your account. If you're not signed in yet, click on the Sign In option at the top right and enter your details. Once you're logged in, move to the top menu and click on Account and Lists, then select Account from the dropdown. On your account page, scroll down until you find a section related to Amazon Household or Family Settings. Click on it to open the Household Management page. Here, you'll see options to add members to your household. You can usually add another adult or a child depending on your needs. If you choose to add an adult, you'll need to enter their name and email address. Amazon will send them an invitation to join your household. Once they receive the invitation, they need to accept it to complete the setup. During the process, you may be asked to agree to share certain benefits such as Prime shipping, digital content, or payment methods. Take a moment to review these options carefully and select what you're comfortable sharing. If you're adding a child account, the setup is slightly different. You'll create a profile for the child and manage their access, which is useful for controlling content and usage. After sending the invitation and completing the setup, your household member will be linked to your account. This allows you to share eligible benefits and makes it easier to manage purchases and subscriptions within one household. Keep in mind that Amazon Household has some limits, such as the number of adults you can add, so it's important to set it up correctly from the beginning. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up an Amazon household. If you found this helpful, feel free to check out more tutorials. Thanks for watching.